Struggling to link issues in Jira? Here's exactly how to add a parent in under 60 seconds. We'll open your project, select the issue, and set the parent in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Jira account. Just go ahead and log in like you normally would. This is where all your projects live, so make sure you're in the right workspace. Once you're in, we can move on to the next part. Now navigate to your project. On the left side panel, you'll see a list of all your projects. Just click on the one that contains the issue you want to work with. I'm looking at a project called IT in this example, but yours will be whatever you've named yours. Go ahead and click on that project name to open it up. Next, select the issue you want to modify. Find the specific task or story that needs a parent. Click on it to open it up. This is the child issue that's going to get linked to its parent. So take a moment to make sure you've got the right one selected before we move forward. Open the Details panel on the right. You'll see a section called Details. Click on that to expand it. This is where all the important metadata for your issue lives. Things like the status, the assignee, and the labels. And, of course, the parent field. Scroll down to find the parent field. It might be a little ways down, depending on how many custom fields your project has. Just keep scrolling until you see the word parent. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. It's usually near the top of the details section. Just keep looking. Click the input box to start searching. It'll say something like, type to search for an issue. Click into that box. Now you can start typing the key or the name of the issue you want to set as the parent. This is where having a clear naming convention really helps. Select the correct parent from the list. As you type, Jira will show you matching issues. Just click on the one that's the right parent for this child issue. And here's the really important part. Make sure you're selecting the correct parent. Double-check the issue key and the summary before you click it. Getting this wrong can create a lot of confusion in your project hierarchy later on. Verify the parent is now linked. Once you've selected it, you should see the parent issue's key and summary appear in the parent field. Take a quick look to confirm it looks right. Trust me, I've seen plenty of cases where someone selected the wrong issue and it caused headaches down the line. So this verification step is worth the extra 5 seconds. Don't forget to save your work. Now, depending on your Jira configuration, this might save automatically, but if you see a save button, click it. Better to be safe than sorry. I've had moments where I thought it auto-saved, and it didn't, so just give it a click to be sure. Check the issue hierarchy to confirm. Go back to your board or your backlog and look at the hierarchy view. You should now see your child issue nested under its parent. This is where the magic happens. You can see the structure of your work taking shape. It's a great feeling when everything clicks into place. And that is it. You have successfully linked a child issue to its parent in Jira. Your project hierarchy is now organized and easy to follow. No more digging around trying to figure out what belongs to what. You've got a clear, structured view of your work. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.